Everyone talks about SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud like it's just a faster ERP project. It isn't. It's a different kind of project because two things you normally control are no longer yours: your calendar and your code. It starts in the explore phase with something called fit to standard. You are not gathering a wish list. You are validating your processes against SAP standard, best practice ones, and writing down exactly where they don't match. Every one of those workshops gets documented in one place: SAP Cloud ALM. It isn't a side tool. It's wired directly into the Activate roadmap. So every gap you write down becomes a tracked task on a real project plan, not a note in someone's slide deck. Here's the part that surprises first-time public cloud teams. You don't set your own upgrade schedule. SAP does. Since 2022, SAP has shipped a major release every February and every August, every single year, no exceptions. They're even named for it: 2602, 2608, and so on. That's not a suggestion for your project plan. It's a fixed point you build around, the same way you'd build around a hard regulatory deadline. Plan your explore and realize phases with those two dates already on the wall. If your go live lands near one, you're not just finishing a project, you're merging into a moving train. So fit to standard finds a gap. What now? Resist the urge to reach for custom code, because on public edition, that door is mostly closed. There's a ladder to climb instead. Try configuration first, then in-app, lifecycle stable extensions. Only when neither works do you step outside onto SAP's business technology platform for a side-by-side extension. Classic backend modification isn't on this ladder at all. Since August 2025, SAP made this explicit with 4 compliance levels, A through D. Level A is a published, stable interface built to last. Level D is technical that SAP itself warns you against. The higher you climb before you extend, the less you'll be rebuilding at the next release. And one correction, because it trips people up: this is not BTP first. It's config and in-app first, BTP as the last resort, not the default. Now compare that to the traditional on-premise path. There, a major upgrade lands roughly every 2 years, with smaller feature package stacks filling the gaps in between, usually around every 6 months. Slower, more room to choose your own timing. That contrast, the calendar you control versus the calendar SAP controls, is the real structural difference between the two worlds. Not a price tag, a rhythm. So if you're planning a public cloud program, validate scope in fit to standard. Track every gap in Cloud ALM, climb the ladder before you extend, and build your entire timeline around SAP's 2 fixed dates a year. Do those 4 things, and the project stops feeling like it's running you. Know the rhythm before you commit to the dance.